What's up guys, I am making a tutorial on how to program in Java. I have over 45 programs at the moment that I want to show you guys, and I'm going to start with the basic welcome to Java or hello world type Java program. I hate this, everybody does this, and it's really annoying because it doesn't teach you anything really. It just teaches you how to say welcome to Java or hello world, or basically it teaches you nothing. But it is the start, so I'm going to start on this one for now. First off, what I like to do is, I can't get in my file right now. Right, so my recorder's in the way. Right. Oh wait, no, it wasn't in the way, it's just stupid. Alright, first off, you want to go to File, Save As. Since I'm doing Welcome to Java, I'm going to do welcome.java, save it. Is that, I already did it, so yes, I'm going to fix it. Alright, so basically, if you have Eclipse, you can use Eclipse. I like to use Notepad++ when I'm just making a small program like this. You can use Notepad if you want, but if you don't want to get Eclipse, at least get Notepad++. It's good for HTML, Java. It's good for anything really. It gives you the amount of lines that you're on, like which one you're on. So if there's an error, you know what one line to go to. Alright, so on line 1 you're going to type in public space class, and again Java is, oops, and spelled wrong, missed the L. Java is case sensitive, so whatever you type here, you're going to want to remember that if you type something lowercase, it's got to be lowercase. So I'm going to keep it lowercase. Then you're going to want to add your bracket in at the end and hit enter and tab. So you should be tabbed on line 2, and here you're going to want to type in public static, oops, void, ahead of myself there, main. Now here string is capital S. I believe there's an error if you don't, but I've never put a lowercase s before. But I'm pretty 100% positive there's an error. Now this line right here, you're going to want to remember this line is in basically every program. This is basically how it works. So hit enter again and tab. Alright, so now here you're going to, alright, well I just dropped my mic, but alright, there we go. Here you're going to want to type in system. Now my mic's in a funny place. My mic's actually quite far from me. I have to, well, the plug into the computer, so I have to kind of pull it a little bit because there's not enough room. I ordered a thing off wire off Amazon to extend it. I just haven't got it. Alright, so you want to type in system.out.println, meaning it will print it out. So this, whatever you type in here, it will say. And then you want to put in parentheses, with this quotation marks, welcome to my program. Alright, so sorry if my typing's loud. My mic is sitting next to it because it can't really fit on my head right now because it's too far. I'm sitting too far away from my computer. It's behind my desk or on the side. But alright, so after you have that typed in, you're gonna want to hit enter, backspace, put your bracket this time closing, so it closes with the bracket with the main string, and then enter, backspace, and a bracket going backwards again, so it closes with the first one. So now all you have to do, if you already named it whatever you want, Java, you just hit save. Now here's the part a lot of people don't know how to do. I see on YouTube all the time. How do you make a compiler? How do you make a run or whatever? If you're just having one basic small program like this, or just one class file, you can just make a compiler right with Notepad or Notepad++. But So you want to type in at echo off. I spell echo on, can't type with my headset here. Again, at echo off. Alright, so apparently I was disconnected from Xfire. Here you can type in title if you want, and it'll be compiler. You can type in, this title will be what would show up here at the top, very top. If you see it has a new text document WordPad, well, when it's compiling up at the top area like that is where it will say compiler. Alright, so let me move my mic again so I can type a little better. Alright, so if you want it to say anything, you can type in echo and just put like compiling. Also, if you want color, you can just put like right here, color. I don't know if that's be capital, but I usually put it capital for some reason. Now I'm not really familiar with any code, so I'm going to go with 4. Alright, so now you're going to want to hit enter. Now once you hit enter, you're going to want to type in javac for the Java compiler space welcome.java, because that is our file name. Then hit enter and you type in pause. Now you really don't have to type pause for the compiler, but if there is any errors, it will not show you what the error is. It will just automatically close itself out. So now what you're going to want to do is type in, like, name it whatever you really want. So just compile.bat, that is .bat, and run the compiler. So it says compiling, press any key to continue. That means it worked. Alright, so now here's my welcome.class file, and then I would just open up my new text document again and type in at echo off title run, I guess. Oops. Color 2. I'm not sure if that's a code. Pretty sure 1 through 5 are codes, but I'm not sure if it's 1 through 9 or not. I don't know the codes at all. Echo, I don't usually put color in there, just sometimes echo running, yeah. Alright, now here you're going to type in Java welcome, and then you have to do pause on here because it will automatically close out your program if you do not. So here you just name it run.bat or whatever you want. Alright, so here's my run.bat, and I'm going to run it. It says running because I typed it in there under echo, and it says welcome to my program. So that's how you make a basic program. Alright, so now I'm going to show you guys how to make this where it says welcome to my program in its own separate dialog box. So what you're going to want to do is, I guess, just trash this file, open up your welcome.java, and you can keep it all there, but just go up to here to your public class and just hit enter, I guess, twice, and go back up to your 1 or wherever you really want, and just type in import space java x.swing. I'm not sure really how you pronounce this, jobs, I don't know, but you need the J-O to be capitalized, and then the P capitalized as well right here. Just type in exactly what I have, and that is basically it. You just save it. Alright, then you're going to want to run the compile again. It compiled, then you run it. What the fuck? What'd I miss? Oh, yeah, alright. So, here I forgot you can't put, it's not system.out.println. You actually change this to, you just type in the import, same one, it's J-O is capitalized, and then the P is capitalized as well. Swing, show message Alright, so then you go here and delete this one, and then that is it. Now you save it. Compile it, so you don't have to delete it, but alright, so I got an error, and I'm not sure why. Oh, I had a typo. I put an N. If you can see that right there, I didn't put an M. Yeah, I can't really type right now the way my mic is, so that's an M right there. My mic's in front of me when I'm trying to type. Alright, so now I run the compiler, it worked, and you run it. So instead of saying it here, it pops up right here. So that is it for this video. I'll show you guys more. I have, again, 45 programs. Hopefully by my next video I'll have my wire in the mail. I got a text message about 20 minutes ago from Amazon saying it's been shipped and it should be there by Friday, and today is only Tuesday. Well, maybe not. So, but hopefully by my videos that I'll be having up soon, it will be there, so I can have good videos, not have my fucking mic right in front of me. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching my first ever video on this new channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.